Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here. Hope you all had a happy and safe 4th of July holiday here in America. Today we're going to be making a copy of the push stick that come with my Kobalt table saw. I noticed when I was making these 1-inch square strips for the USA keychains I made a few videos back that I needed more than one push stick to push something this small through the blade. So what I'm going to do is take this piece of scrap plywood here, and I'm going to lay the push stick down on it, and I'm going to trace around it and get a copy. This piece of plywood has a bad spot in it, so I don't think I'm going to be doing no good scroll work with it. So let me trace this push stick onto this one and we'll cut it out. Here is the extra push stick we just cut out over on the bandsaw. I have the table saw unplugged so I can show you what I meant by having an extra push stick. The saw is set up to 1 inch from the blade, which is what is for the keychains I made a few videos back. Here is already cut block of wood, and what I'm saying is when I go to cut the wood, it's okay to push from here, but then I also need something from here, this side, and that's really what I wanted the extra push stick for, to always keep my hand away from the blade. So, real simple project. Again, real simple project. I know this wasn't a very involved woodworking project. This was more of a utilitarian type woodworking project, making a piece to keep you safe while you're out in your shop. So that's about all for this video. Got one more thing to show you guys now that I think of it. Look at this awesome pencil holder that the local makerspace Steam Junction made for me. They made this on their Fusion 3D printer, and I think it's awesome. They give this to me. I think that is beyond cool, and it humbles me when I get stuff like this, but I really love it. Got it out here holding my pencils, my X-Acto knife, and I got a scroll saw blade down in it. But I really love this. Thank you guys for making that. I'm going to be taking you guys down to the makerspace soon. I actually need some stuff 3D printed for the scroll saw, so stay tuned for that. That is all for this video. Again, hope you all had a happy and safe 4th of July. Please continue to like and share my videos. If you haven't already, I'd really love if you'd subscribe to my channel. Take care, and as always, God bless.